So, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Giska Sripatya Ramdhani. I am from English Education Department at Unggul University. And today, I'm going to discuss understanding language acquisition or LA and second language acquisition or SLA. From that title is From Baby Talk to Bilingual Brains. So, what is language and how do we learn it? Language is more than just words, and it's how we connect. But how do we learn to speak in the first place? Let's explore on the next slide. So the first, language acquisition or LA is a natural process of learning the first language, and it happens in early childhood through interaction and non-formal teaching needs. And the second is second language acquisition or SLA. It's a process of learning a language after acquiring the first. Usually happens at school, online, or in adult learning. Requires conscious effort. So now let's take a closer look at the key differences between language acquisition versus second language acquisition, and there is several aspects, and the first one is age. And for first language, it happens usually in from early childhood and starting as soon as we are born. And in contrast, second language acquisition can happen at any age, from children to adults, even seniors. And the second is method. So, language acquisition usually happens naturally. We pick up our first language just by listening and interacting. But second language acquisition is usually taught either in classroom through apps or private lessons. And then we have effort. Learning our first language is unconscious. We don't even realize we are doing it. But learning a second language requires conscious effort, and we need to study, memorize, and practice. And next, first language is often speed fast, especially in the first few years. And for second language acquisition, its speed can vary. And from lastly, accent. With language acquisition, we get a native accent, but second language acquisitions often results in a foreign accent, especially if learned later in life. So, what age matters? Younger learners are more fluent and sound native-like. Adults may learn faster at first but struggle with pronunciation. And critical period hypothesis. According to critical period hypothesis, there is a window for native-like acquisition. So, next, why understanding language acquisition and second language acquisition is important? Because it helps language teachers and learners, and useful in multilingual settings, also support global communication. And I have one case. If language learning in children of mixed nationality of parents. So, children of parents from different nationalities exposed to two languages from birth. They hear and use two languages at home every day. Can they forget their first language? Yes, it happens when first language is rarely used. So they usually use second language at home or at school. The child becomes more fluent in second language. So for the signs is vocabulary loss, mixing languages, and difficultly expressing ideas in first language. So, short case study. Indonesian American child moves to the US at age 5 years old, speaks only English at school and with friends. By age 10, struggles to speak Indonesian. So, how do they acquire second language? Through daily interactions with parents, influenced by environment. It can be from school, media, or community. And this is tips for maintaining both languages. The first is use both languages consistently at home. Let the child speak freely in both languages and stay connected with family who speaks first language. Okay, next. How how to learn a second language effectively. First, practice daily. This is the important things if we want to learn second language and speak without fear, listen to native content and use vocabulary journey. Also, no, use vocabulary journal. Immerse yourself in the culture. And what affects language ability? First, consistent language use and family encouragement. And this child was fluent in Indonesian, but after years of not using it, they began to lose the ability to express themselves in their first language. If this one mixed nationality parents and the child will be fluent in second language than their first language because the kid is rarely using their first language. So, from baby talk to bilingual brains, language shapes identity. Learning a new language is unlocking a new way of thinking. Whether you are a baby or a grown up, your brain is amazing. So, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.